I'm Steve Foraker, founder and CEO of SES. In this demonstration, we will build code at lightning speed, straight from English written requirements using our AI technology. Not ChatGPT, not Bard, not Einstein, but our own proprietary AI, so there are no additional licenses to pay. SES is native to Salesforce. And it builds requirements, generates AI automated code, improves output through code quality analysis and review, and automates creation of technical documentation. SES speeds up delivery, and simultaneously increases quality beyond the capability of all other code quality analysis tools. Since making this video, SES has been improved, so that the developer does not need to make any adjustments to the code that you will see during this demonstration. So let's get into a demonstration. Let's open SES. We have a requirement which is to check the validity of a postcode, and also an email. We're also going to format the postcode. And only if that passes we will insert an account using that information. Now, let's run the timer so we can see how long it takes to create this code. And let's now open the AI tool. Start the AI. This will search for functions within this system to fulfill our requirements. And if SES can't find any functions from the system, it will reach out to some other connected Salesforce systems to search for matching functions. Once it's found a match, it will use each individual matched function to generate new code. SES has now completed the search. Let's open up the task again. If you want, you can open the code and have a look at what SES has created by clicking here. This is the code that SES has created. Now, let's copy the generated code. If we go to the developer console, paste in the code produced by SES. SES produced this function, and has declared the function correctly. We will now tidy up the code a little, but in recent improvements the developer does not need to do any changes to the generated code. SES found this function to validate the postcode. This function validates the email. And this function will format a postcode. And finally, this function inserts an account into Salesforce. The function does state upsert, but will do both insert and update, and we wanted to insert. SES doesn't consider the names of the functions, which could mislead SES. Instead, SES considers what the functions do, which is more important. At the bottom of the generated code, SES has created a skeleton test method. But we're not wanting to create any test methods in this demonstration. So this will be removed. We can now end the timer. If we wanted to compare against how long it would take a developer to produce this code, SES has produced in 3 minutes and 34 seconds, and would be much quicker now the developer no longer needs to make changes to the code.